safe with me.
Oh, Papa, I can't stand.
Doctor, please come quick. Oh, Doctor, thank goodness you're here. Is she gonna be all right?
Let me examine her first. We'll do everything we can.
We're loading up!
Don't worry, darling. Everything will be all right. We're right here with you. Please, is she gonna be all right?
We're stabilizing her now. We're almost to the hospital.
What do we have? Possible fracture. Vitals dropping. Get the gurney ready.
The procedure was a complete success.
Hello there, my beautiful baby. I love you.
Honey, how are you feeling? We're so happy you're here. Here you go, my love. He's beautiful. Your little brother.
She's hurt. What do we do?
We need to stop the bleeding and get her warm immediately. Here, Mama. Hurry, we have to get her to drink something. What happened?
I was enjoying the calm waters when suddenly a terrifying beast appeared from the depths.
Thank you. Thank you for everything.
Darling, we need something fresh to drink.
I will get the best oranges, Mama. Wow, so many! Gotcha! But I can do it! Delivery! Oh, Snowy! These are perfect!
Time for the Super Juicer 3000!
Yummy! For the best chef!
Thank you, sweetie.
Refreshment, Papa?
Ah, just what I needed.
Goop, goop!
I want to chop the carrots.
Oops! Whoosh! Mama! Oh no! Hold still, baby!
What happened? I heard crying.
I heard crying!
I have the magic box.
This will make the ouch go away.
All wrapped up. You are a brave soldier. Let's rest.
My brave little helper. I still love carrots, though.
और आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर नहीं किया? मेहरबानी फरमाकर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, क्योंकि मैं अपनी वीडियो में मोटिवेशनल और अच्छी बातें बताता हूं जो आपके बच्चों को मोटिवेट करेंगी। शुक्रिया।